actually Madagascar 3, but you call it the bear movie, don't ya? Hey, what happened to your cars?
No.
Did they crash?
Car.
Did you trash a car?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's crashed. You want to show me?
No.
Oh, he's right side up. Good.
No bridge. No bridge.
No bridge? Did he crash?
Car.
You dropped your car?
No.
Did it crash?
Trash car.
Did you crash a car? Are there any more cars in here?
Too.
Oh yeah, there's an eye on that fish, huh?
Everything. Car too. Car.
That's your crane.
Car. Car.
You gonna crash another car for me? No.